And I'm not too excited about Darius' design. I mean, there's a good section about how creating advantage with the computer. That looks really good, but the rest of the mock-up doesn't look too exciting to me.
The one I like the most would be Mark's design, the one he has up right there on his computer, all of the cities.
Yeah.
Which one? Oh, with the city? With LA?
Yeah, it looks, I don't know if it's dark colors, but if you're looking for like high-end clients, there's a lot of information there as well to go through in a good way.
There's too much text, I think, for Mark's designs. But I do like the route that he has with that arrow, at least for this one, because it kind of brings your eye around the whole site, and then at the end there has an arrow for the call to action button. Darius is kind of templated. I would say that's probably more of like a landing page or something like that. I would say Alvin, then Mark's this one, and then Darius last.
It leaves room for more than one call to action, so that's a good thing, because if they get to the bottom of the page, you can do like a still need more, click here. As far as the line in the call to action, now design, I like Darius because of the colors. Yeah, it's very neutral. Mark's blues kind of lead toward a more of a male demographic, and the pinks and Alvin's kind of lean towards more of a feminine demographic, where Darius is more neutral.
I like the color scheme for Daria. Like I like how it's like Kevin mentioned, like the green. It seemed like a very modern like agency that we're trying to portray. But I really like the way Alvin set up the gallery of showing like the portfolio. But I like Mark's the city one.
On Daria's, when you first look at it, it's very like, oh, it looks
Exciting.
clean. Like, okay, I want to know what's going on. The other one, it kind of throws too much at you, and you're just like
Overwhelmed.
Yeah.
There's not any one that I think is like 100% like go with it. Like I like Mark's here with the yellow one, except for these. I don't like the arrows so much, maybe because I know it's going to be impossible to build out in code anyway. But I think without the yellow, maybe, even though it's like a nice idea and everything, and then maybe have this header, not split like this, maybe change around a little bit. But other than that, I love these infographics right here. I think those are pretty badass how they're set up. But Daria's is probably, like they're saying, it's probably playing it safe a little bit, but it needs a little bit of pop to it.
Yeah.
But maybe as a
You could
general
add-
layout, it's a little bit cleaner.
Like the portfolio
But
of that.
it's a little too bland. It's a little too clean. So it's tough. I would say take pieces of each.
Use this, our services, like mix all of them together, like take different elements from the different people. I like Daria, what she did with this part right here. Like if we could add all of those things into one page, that'd be great. From Alvin's, I like his gallery.
Okay. Really
Like I thought that was great. I think we should have if we could have all of our mock-ups that we design and put them on our website, that'd be great.
My opinion about it is like you can make the ugliest car on the planet, but you will have buyers for them, right? People will buy them for some reason, right? Everybody like a little bit of everything. And it was funny to hear the guy saying that, I like a little bit of everything. I like a little bit of everything, but I like this, I like that. That was awesome, that's how it's supposed to be. None of them is like, oh wow, that's it, that pops, like 100%. Because you can really copy it from somewhere, but you need to invent it, right? And that's not, nobody came up with that solution. What I didn't like on a lot of the designs is what they point out, that they're copying what you already have, and that's something you want to change. So that's, when you have something like this, and you're saying it like, come on, let's do something else. We're gonna use maybe Alvin's header, Mark's hero image, Daria's other layout, and then Alvin's beautiful portfolio and gallery. About the content now, so now what we need to do is, we need to figure it out what pops. We'll look at the latest trends, we'll look at some top brands, what they're doing, and we'll look at some top agencies, and then we'll look at our local competitors. I will put everything on a board, what we think is popping, and then we'll try to brainstorm and come up with our own idea. So we need to blend those contents together, where we can tell people what we need to tell people. And other than that, I think we should be good to go, right?